welcome. Well, y'all, fall's in the air some days. So I'm going to be making this easy, simple apple cake.
Okay.
I hope y'all enjoy it. I know my sweet Eric's going to. This is so easy to make, y'all. You want to take you a box of white cake mix. This is 15.25 ounces. Put that in your bowl. I'm going to take this out of there and dump it. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I've got my oven going. Okay, you're going to take 3 eggs. You're going to take a teaspoon of cinnamon. It's going to give it that good taste. I've got 1/4 cup of water. I had to put it over there on the counter so I wouldn't spill it. Put your 1/4 cup of water in. You're going to take 1 cup of sour cream. Use my little spurtle here. Make sure I get all of that out of there. This is going to be so good, y'all. I'm sure your family would love this.
I don't know about the rest of our family, but I know I will.
Okay, we're going to mix this till it's all smooth. Okay, that looks good right there. Let that drip off of those beaters. See, I got my recipe written down. I hand wrote it so I wouldn't forget stuff this time because I'm known for doing that. Just known for doing it. Okay, you want to grease a 9x13 baking dish, which I've already got that done. Gotta have a sip of coffee this morning. Hope y'all are having a good day. I got all sizes of spurtles, y'all. All sizes of them. Well, the batter looks really good.
It does.
Okay. Now we're going to pour this mixture into our greased 9x13 baking dish. Look how smooth that is. You got that cinnamon in there, the sour cream. I think this is going to be amazing. I don't make desserts like I used to because we're really trying to cut back on them, but sometimes I just got to make one for my family.
And sometimes I just gotta eat one.
Yes, you do. Oh, the kitchen's going to smell amazing here in a little bit. These spurtles are great for getting all your stuff out of these bowls and cans. Okay, now you're going to take a 20-ounce can of apple pie filling, and we're going to put that on top. if you wanted to, I think you could actually put 2 cans on it. But this might just be plenty. 2 cans actually might be too much.
Well, it just keeps coming out of that can.
I know.
Like a little clown car.
I know. A little clown cart. A little clown cart full of apples.
It's a clown can.
It's a clown cake. That's what it is. I think that's about good enough. Get a bit more of them juices out of there. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna bake it for 40 minutes. And then when it comes out, I'm gonna let it sit and cool. And then I'm gonna make a confectioner's sugar glaze to go over it. So into the oven it goes. Just took the cake out of the oven. It looks amazing. It smells wonderful. Now we're gonna let it sit and cool. And then I'll come back and I'll make the glaze and drizzle it all over it. Eric's gonna be in heaven. Okay, got the cake ready to put the glaze on. Looks amazing.
It looks really good.
I've got a cup of powdered sugar. Now we're gonna start out maybe about 1-2 tablespoons of milk. See where that gets us. You just have to kind of judge. It doesn't take a lot of milk though. It really doesn't. Okay.
Now we drizzle away.
It doesn't matter how you put it on. It's all going to taste the same. It's all going to be wonderful.
That's
Eric has been anticipating this all morning. Haven't you, hon?
Yeah, I've been really craving sweets the last few days, and
So I thought it was time to make him something. Let that run down in there. Like I said, you just put it on however you want to. If you want to make you more, do it. If you want to make less, do it. There's no wrong way. It's however you want to do it. How's that look, hon?
it was great.
Yeah, I'm going to cut you a piece.
All right.
Okay, I've got Eric's plated up. Here goes his taste test, y'all. We'll see if we get the raised eyebrows and the roll of the eye.
Yeah, there, a good piece of apple. Oh my God.
He's one happy camper, y'all. Did that fix your sweet?
Yes, my sweet tooth, thanks you.
Yes, okay, hon. Well, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope you have a blessed day. Remember, it'll be okay, and we love y'all.